Lobby Tools, Florida's legislative intelligence company. Subscribe today to Florida's leading policy, budget, and campaign tracking service. Request a free trial today at lobbytools.com.
Legislation in 2017 aimed at banning abortions in Florida after 20 weeks died early in committee meetings. But now a new bill filed for the 2019 session goes even further. It would make it a third-degree felony for a doctor to perform an abortion if a fetal heartbeat could be detected.
Consider the rights of that unborn baby.
Sponsor Representative Mike Hill says the decision to file the bill came down to his constitutional oath.
My oath said that I would protect life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Life being the first one.
Kimberly Scott with Planned Parenthood calls the heartbeat bill
the most dangerous bill that we have seen for reproductive health in the Florida legislature.
Representative Hill says a fetal heartbeat can usually be detected after 18 days. Planned Parenthood says 6 weeks. But either way, it would be a massive decrease from the current 24 weeks allowed under Florida law. Planned Parenthood says legal challenges would undoubtedly ensue.
They spend millions of taxpayer dollars in order to defend this type of legislation in courts.
But Hill says the shifting makeup of the courts might help his legislation hold up.
We think we can start overturning a lot of these abortion rulings that are killing the unborn.
Similar laws passed in 3 states were blocked by the courts. A nearly identical bill was vetoed in Ohio. In Tallahassee, I'm Jake Stofan.